Hey everyone, this is John. So today I'm giving you a look at my bike. So this is a CB400. As you can see, I have this new tire I've just added. Plus everything is stock. Yeah. So I'm in some place in Zungu, and I'm looking forward to getting a new bike, an adventure bike. This is a CB400, as you can see. CB Honda Super 4. I'm going to turn it on for you. Honda Super 4. This is Johnson in Uganda. Right now I'm going back home. I've been having an evening walk, evening ride, sort of. So thanks for watching. Yeah, subscribe to my channel where I'm going to put this video. Everything will be very fine. So I'm sorry today I didn't come with an helmet. I didn't carry anything like that. I just have the face mask, the glasses, because I'm not riding so fast today. Yeah, that's why I needed to have these things. So I'm going to close this video from here. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.